Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video I am going to try, and I did say try, I am going to try graphic liners. I bought graphic liners, never used them before, so this will be my second time gonna be trying them. I'm going to create an eye look using graphic liners. So if I fail, that's okay, I will try again. So today, just watch and we'll see what I create with these graphic liners. Now I need to put some in the brow bone, just a little bit of light eyeshadow, because like I say, I have never ever done graphic lines before, so we will see how it turns out. If it's a disaster, that it will be okay. If it's a fail, that is also okay. And if it's a win, that is a plus. Okay, so we're just gonna have fun. Let's have some fun here. Oh. Okay, what color do I start with? Color. Okay, let's try something that's going to show. Let's see. I'm trying the blue. I need to come up a little closer with my magnifying mirror, because you know how my eyes are. I told you. Your eyes. I want you to see. So far the line is working well. It dries well. I hope you can see me. I don't have a clue where I'm going with this. I am just drawing. Like I said, I don't know where I'm going with this. We're just having fun. I'm doing red. I'm always checking to make sure you can see. My wrinkled skin is beautiful, so my lines will not come out exact, but you know what? I'm okay with that. So you can see all my wrinkled skin, and that's fine. Don't hide your wrinkles. I don't hide mine. I don't know what I am doing. I want to make sure you can see. When I stretch my skin, it's not going to come out as well as I want it to. Remember, I don't know what I'm doing, so go with me. And it's just, it is fun. Buy some and do them. This is fun. This is just fun, 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 fun. I am just having a ball doing this. Buy some and play with it. Trust me, you will like it. I don't know where I'm going with this, but this is good. This is so good. You can see, oh my god, this is so good. This is so much fun. This is so this is so much fun. I mean, it's like a kid in a candy store. This is what this is to me. It's like, oh my god. Look at black. Yeah. orange, I might tell you, is very light. The orange is very light on my skin tone. It may be brighter on somebody else's, but it's very, very light on mine. I am back with today's eye look. I use graphic liners. It is fun, fun, fun. I am having a ball with these graphic liners. I am feeling like a kid in a candy store. I can draw everywhere with these things. I will do some more looks. The only thing I have an issue with, well, I shouldn't say an issue because it still works. It's that the orange, let me see. This is why I put the orange over here and I put the orange over here. It's very, very light. So far everything else is showing up nicely. Like I say in the beginning, I have oily skin, so I kind of put like a very light eyeshadow down very lightly, so these can stick. Next time I'll try it without the eyeshadow base to see if it works, because oily skin and these things might not work, but I don't know until I try, and I'll try it. But this is what it's looking like. You know what I mean? I am loving it. I am loving it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. And I will see you in another video. I am not sure what other video it is, if it's going to be another graphic or just regular eyeshadow, but we will see. It is fun. Oh, and today, remember that reach out to someone if you are burdened and think that you are not capable of handling everything. Please reach out to someone. Again, I am saying bye. Bye, bye, bye.